I'm gonna teach you guys how to make some awesome Chipotle guacamole, just like we make it in the restaurant. My name is Chad. I'm the executive chef here at Chipotle. To make guacamole, you're gonna need some tools. I use 2 bowls usually. So I've got a big bowl. I use this for mashing. I use the little bowl for aromatics. So that's like your red onion, your cilantro, your jalapeno, something to mash. So you can use a fork. I like a whisk. Obviously a spoon. Spoon helps you scoop that avocado out. A knife, open that avocado. Juicer, so you can juice your limes. You can also use your hand if you don't have one of these things. Cool, let's get started. First thing we're gonna do, open some avocados. You got the long end of this avocado. That's got the most space between the pit and the flesh. I push it until I find it, and I just kind of rotate that right around. Super easy, give it a twist, knock it, give it a good one. Take it, and then I use my thumb, throw it away. Next thing, got my beautiful avocado. Just take that guy right in there, scoop it out. Got my whisk. We're just gonna do some mashing. So at Chipotle, we don't want it too mashed up. We like a little bit of chunks, right? You can see if you start to whisk it, it starts to get a little creamy, and you can see those chunks better. So it's like a mixture, 50-50 mixture of creamy and chunks. All right, red onion. And now I'm just gonna take this and just make tiny little slices really quickly. Throw them into the bowl. So first aromatic is done. We call them aromatics because they're giving aroma to our food. Next up, jalapeno. That little kind of hair that connects to the seeds, that's the spicy part. So I'm just gonna take my knife. So that gave me about, let's see, it looks like just over a tablespoon of jalapeno. So it looks like we got 1/4 cup of red onion, tablespoon of jalapeno, everything into the little bowl. Boom. At Chipotle, we use the entire cilantro stem. To me, best flavor in the cilantro is the stem. To make it easier to cut, I kind of folded it over. We want to make a neat little package. I'm not bruising it. Just give it maybe one quick pass through. There we go. Put that right into our bowl with the rest of the aromatics. We're gonna use limes. So for 3 avocados, let's say we'll do 3 halves. Should be perfect. Get it all stirred up. So for about 3 avocados, I'd say we put about, I don't know, half a tablespoon. I'll just kind of measure with my fingers. We'll give the salt a quick mix. Everything goes in. What we don't want to do is start to mash it, right? So all those aromatics, you want them to release flavor into your mouth, not necessarily into here. That way when you bite into them, you get like a nice burst of flavor. So I'm gonna kind of just fold it in, right? And same thing we do in store. We only mash avocados, we don't mash aromatics. Last thing you gotta do is always test it. Say you're making this for some buddies, for some friends, you gotta make sure it tastes good. We're pretty good. So it tastes lime, tastes red onion, tastes some awesome jalapeno, cilantro, and salt is good, so this one's ready to go. Let's say I don't have chips, or maybe I don't want to eat chips. Like what else can I eat with my guac? Cucumber's really good. Pork rinds or chicharrones, super awesome with guacamole. Those baby carrots, they were pretty awesome too. Thank you very much for joining us today. It's been a pleasure cooking guac with you. Maybe I'll see you soon. Talk to you all later.